What's up, everybody? It's your girl Nappy Natural, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out on my hair. You guys can check out how I did a braid out on my last video. First of all, I washed my hair with this Neutrogena shampoo and conditioner with pink grapefruit. Like, it smells so good. So I use that. It says that it's for oily hair, and my hair is not really oily. My hair's kind of on the drier side, but I think this is good for if you have buildup and you want like clean, like you want to get everything out, like if you have a lot of gel in it. Like, I know I use a lot of gel, and sometimes it can just get stuck in your hair and not want to come out. So I think this is like supposed to be for oily hair. And then the conditioner, I use like almost like 25% of the bottle because I just wanted to get a lot. And like, look at my hair, looks so clean and everything. And then while I'm in the shower, I put in my leave-in conditioner, and this is from Curls, the Blueberry Bliss, and mix those flavors together. It smells like a cocktail kind of. Okay, so I'm gonna use my curl definer, this to define my curls for my twist out, and I'm going to be using this for the parts because I want to try to do a twist out where I can leave it out the next day. So I need my scrunchies, so I'm gonna take 4. I'm gonna put it in 4 parts. So this is how my hair looks when I take it out. And this only thing I have in my hair is the leave out. Now you can see the different textures of my hair. Like, you see how this part is like more thinner, and as it goes up it gets more tighter. So yeah, my hair has different textures all around. I'm gonna put it into, you still see the steam coming out, oh my god. I'm gonna put it into 4 parts, you guys. In 4 parts, but we're gonna, which side should I put my part? I don't even know. And I'm not gonna put the parts like all, when I do it all around, I'm not gonna even worry about like making the parts neat because I don't want it to be, I want it to all blend in, right? So yeah. Okay, so we're going to, all this here is gonna be here. I think that's too deep. I take my curl definer, I'm gonna put it inside. I hope I have it. Yeah, I think I have enough. But not, I'm gonna have to. Alright, so then, y'all know how this goes. So I ordered a lot of stuff, not a lot of stuff, but like a few hair items on Amazon. And one of them is a blow dryer with a diffuser so I can do my wash and goes. And I also got some satin scrunchies so that I can pull them out. So yeah. So I can't wait to do that. I'm gonna do a video on what I got from Amazon. And yeah, this is gonna be a nice curl up, I think. I washed it off. So yeah, alright, so this is how I do my twist out, yeah. So take it like that, and then I just make sure I get the roots. I don't want to braid the roots because that gets kind of, it's just hard to switch from twists to braids for me. So I just take it and then just twist it to the bottom like this. And then when I get to the bottom, I twirl it so that I can have a coil at the end. No, and that's it. It's pretty simple. So here it is once again. Yeah. So this is gonna be for this part. I hope it's like big enough. All right. So yeah, that's that. And then I use this jam, shining jam. I don't have a lot, but I use this so that it can stay down when I do take it out. So that's not like too puffy. I use that to hold it down. And I'm already doing my edges. I'm like the queen of laid edges, you know. My edges are always laid. Even though I don't know how to do baby's hairs, but my edges are always gonna be laid. That's one thing about me. Alright. So I'm gonna do the other part. Alright, you guys. So I finished the side and the back. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. Alright, so first I'm gonna start by like detangling it out. I already detangled it in the shower, but I'm just gonna do it one more time just to make sure there's no, just to get any extra, you know, knots out of it. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. So alright, so I'm not doing the parts perfect because I don't want it to be like only part I did perfect is like this one because I want this part to be laid down, but everything else I'm just doing it anyway just because I want it to look like it's natural. Okay, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of this because I don't really need too much. Alright, this. And I actually like this shampoo. It's not that bad. It's actually pretty good. I really like it. I'm gonna be using it again. It was like, I think $12 for this shampoo. So yeah, that's not too bad. I think that's like the average shampoo price. So yeah, I'm just gonna twist it. Still has product in it, so it's like slippery, which is fine. It will dry up. That, and then this part is like, so we have this one. I'm gonna do into two, depending on how it looks when I put the cream in it. Do it into two. Yep, I'm gonna do this one into two. Alright, so I didn't do them too small because if I do them too small, I'm gonna be here forever. So I just did big ones. Well, not big, like medium-sized ones, and I put like a lot of the curl definer so that my curls do curl a lot. Okay, guys, so I'm done with the twist out, and now that I'm done, I'm going to put everything away. So now I'm gonna go in with my oil, my Mayo Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I love this. We're gonna oil it in between the parts. And this has let me see. This has biotin in it, so it promotes growth, you guys. So that's why I like it. And it also keeps my hair really like shiny. I'll put in a video here of me talking about how shiny my hair is. It's gotten so much better these last few days that I washed it. I think it's the new products that I got. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna have to go with the new products and the oils I've been using. Using the products, the Smile Rosemary Mint line products. I have the mask, like a hair mask for it, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna do a video on that. Because if I like everything else in the line, I probably definitely love that. How often do you guys do hair masks on your hair? Because I don't even like, and how often do you guys deep condition your hair? Put it in the comments for me. Like for me, it depends on my schedule because I'm like always busy with work and stuff, so I don't really have time. Like when I wash my hair, I don't want to take too much time and stuff like that, so I don't really, you know, do it too much. But how often do you guys do it? Do you do it once a week, once a month? So this is how I do it, and then I'm just gonna put my scarf on. Yeah. All right, so now I'm just going to put on my scarf.
I'm gonna try not to like make the braids go up because I want them to lay down. So I'm gonna put my scarf on. I don't like, I have a bonnet, but for some reason it disappeared. But it's fine.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.